All right, Mark Deering here. We've got another new listing for you this week. We are on the northwest side of Grand Rapids, real close to a quick commute to everything fun. We got downtown, we got Alpine right over there. You're gonna love this house. Come on in and check it out. All right, so let's jump inside here. Right away, you have a living room slash family room, and I say both because they're connected, depending on which one you want to call which. But this is really good size. Look at the space here. Perfect for two styles of living right on the main floor. You got a nice fireplace there. And if you follow me back here, you'll see it's pretty much like I say, this could be your family room, that could be your living room, this could be your rec room, whatever you want to call it. But nice space. Tons of nice space. You could be entertaining here and have a whole different group of people over there. But while we're in this area, you also have the dining area. Big nice slider heading out to the beautiful backyard. But let's check this kitchen out real quick. All hard surface countertops, updated appliances, tons of cabinet space, nice cathedral ceiling in here, lots of fresh paint, update on light fixtures, really nice floor. This is a really nice kitchen. I said really nice a lot there, but it's true. All right, so that's the kitchen. Now remember, we're on a big circle here, so we're gonna head into the laundry area, which is on the main floor. You have a coat closet here off to your left, almost like a nice little boot room here. That is connected to your two-stall garage. And I'll peek this way real quick to show you a half bath. Really cool, nice half bath there right off the garage. Makes it convenient for when you're leaving or coming or going. You need the half bath right there. And then also on the main level, you have this room. They have it obviously set up as a desk or as a office. Perfect for that. Without this desk in here, could be a reading room, could be formal dining area, just about anything you'd like. So lots of common areas, lots of big spaces here on the main floor. All right, so as we go through, you're gonna notice we are back where we started. This is the front door that we started at. That hallway is the half bath. This is that living room with the fireplace. Now let's head upstairs. All right, as we get to the top of the stairs, right to the left is a full bath. Look how much tiles in here. This is really cool. Lots of updates. So what also is cool is that this full bath is connected to the primary. So there's a doorway through here. And this is a very spacious room. I don't want to guess at the size, but we're at about 14 by 14, 14 by 12 in that range. And check this out. We do have a walk-in closet. So two things you don't always see in this age of home is walk-in closets and primary bedrooms connected to a full bath. So that's a big perk. Nice hardwood floors in here. Bedroom number 2. Nice trendy color, good size. And that is a walk-in closet over there. So that's the second walk-in closet. And bedroom number 3 on the second story here. This is gonna be the smallest of the 3, but still really good size. All right, so we'll head downstairs. So now we're in the lowest level, the basement, and this is a good size rec room. So remember, you have living room upstairs, family room, and you also have office, and now you've got this space. So you're not lacking any space here, that's for sure. All right, so right off the dining area, you're gonna have this nice large deck and step on down to a patio here. You're gonna have to use your imagination a little bit, but this is a really nice in-ground pool. Right now, it's an ice rink, but in that storage shed back there, which we will peek in there for you, kind of show you around, but that whole thing is wide open storage space. Nice tree-lined backyard with fencing all the way around. This is a great backyard for entertaining kids, pets. It's a really cool setup. All right, so here's the shed out back, just to give you an idea how much space is in there. Right now we got the Corvette parked in it, but it is wide open space, perfect spot for the mowers, all the yard tools, he cave, she cave, whatever you want to do out here. So there's your quick tour. 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, main floor utility, nice in-ground pool, big giant shutout back, 3 to 4 living areas, nice updated spacious kitchen. Come on in and take a tour.